Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. This is my second attempt at recording this unboxing for design team for Kscrafts. Thank you, Hannah, for having me. I swear I went through half of my Christmas stack. This is for the August release. It's a Christmas collection, and I didn't realize my camera wasn't recording. I pressed the button to record, but it did not record. So we're gonna go through this again. For you, it'll only be the first time, but for me, it'll be my second. So I have the 2026 August release. This is a Christmas theme, and this is part 2 of my design team. Well, it's part 1, but I made 2 videos. Anyway, this is the Cute Reindeers die set, and you get 2 sizes, and you also get left and right facing. So left and right facing reindeers, cute reindeers. And there's the little one. So same. Okay. You just get 2 sizes of each facing reindeer. You guys, I tell you, it has been a day. It has been a day. Okay. Let's put that to the side. The next one we have is the Christmas tags. And this is just like similar to the Halloween one that they had in July. It's got 4 layers. Yeah. So this one says it 'tis the season, and you get this one first layer, second layer. You got the highlight layer. These little cutout details that will appear like a highlight. And then you got the main piece with the stitch detail. So it'll go something. Where does it fit? It's the wrong one, I guess. It'll go like that. So stitch on top, then you get the layers, and then you get the highlights. And then the second one says a little holiday cheer, and you get the same pieces for the little holiday cheer sentiment. But it's a really cute tag. It's just very similar to the Halloween. I like those highlights cutouts. So that's that. Next one we have is Santa suit bag topper. This is just the jacket of Santa, and you get 2 sizes of bag toppers, the large and the small. And you've got the pieces for the collar, and you also get the belt buckle, the buckles, and all the other accoutrements for his little jacket. This is adorable, this little Santa jacket. Santa suit bag topper. Very nice. I love that you get two different sizes. The next one is the bold Christmas words, and they also have the shadow, so are the layering pieces. So you get the word cheer, believe, blessed, holiday, Noel, and bright. For 6 words of that size, probably about a little over an inch tall. That's pretty cool. Very nice, very nice. The next one is a new memory decks. This is the clipboard memory decks, and you get layering pieces, and you also get the big bulldog clips, and a little pencil with the layering pieces. Very cute, and you got a little paper layering piece right there. Very nice if you don't have like a memory decks card die. This is a good one to have. It's very generic. You could use it all year round. This one is the Nutcracker mug. This one's adorable too. You got the little mug here. We can use it also as an embellishment piece because you get this whole piece right here, the shape of the head. And then you got all the little details to decorate your hat. And then add to your Nutcracker. This is a very cute die. Nutcrackers were really hot last year, and that the fact that they brought out a mug, that's really cute. Christmas charms add-ons. So this one goes with the Halloween release that they had in July. Here's the charm, chain charm dangle thing that you can use to add to your boxes, your bags, and all that stuff. And you can use these little dies to create little charms. You use these little pieces right here to connect the charms to the chain. And then you got those little pieces there. So here we have for Christmas, we have a wreath, a gingerbread, 2 sizes, and you've got Christmas trees, you got bows, a wreath, 3 sizes of candy canes, a mitten, ho ho ho, right here it says ho ho ho. The reindeer, little reindeer face, and the details for the gingerbread. And you got snowflakes, another reindeer, so it's a larger reindeer right there. And then you've got a larger reindeer head, some stockings, 2 sleighs, more mittens, another tree, and you've got some peppermints up here, and all these little speckle details for your, I think those are for the Christmas tree and the gingerbread, maybe. But yeah, several people have received this before me, so you could go check out Kscraft on Instagram. She has beautiful examples from the design teams. And then here is the Christmas boot add-on. I will leave her link in the description box below. So like I was saying, I purchased the Halloween release because they had the Christmas add-on. And what they had was the witch boot. And these add-ons are to decorate your boot, to go around it. You got a buckle right here. More pieces to go to the sides. Another buckle. And then for Christmas, you get the word Christmas as a charm or as a tag. And you can add it to the boot. I would put these 2 together with the boot, because if I want to make the boot, I already know where the pieces are, right? I don't want to organize this and put this in the Christmas section. I would just put it as organize this as a box, a gift box. And I know I have a boot, so those will go together. Now here is where I realized I was not recording. This is the back to school. It's a back to school item, but it has like a crayon caddy organizer. So this is a box, but here's the organizer piece right there. And then you take this to add to the back. To the sides, you have your side panel right here. Whoops. You know, and you could also use this side panel if you wanted to divide it or to give it a section. Section it off and then use that to the side and to the back. It's a cute little caddy. Hannah had put it together and showed it to us. It was really cute. And you've got the little crayon here, details to make the little crayons to add to the caddy. So this is a box to hold the crayon boxes. And you can make this. This opens up. This is the topper. You cut that piece several times. Very cute. And then this one just says #1 teacher. And then the other word you get is crayons. So a very cute little gift for back to school. For your teachers, for your kids' teachers. The next one is the Santa gift box. This is cute. This is really cute. And you've got the pieces to create the Santa face. So his eyes, his nose, his mouth, his mustache, his face right there. And then you got the little triangle piece that creates his little hat, his little beard right there. And then this creates the box. So these are your pieces to create the gift box. So, oh my gosh. I am too excited. I need to start cutting into these or cutting up with this to get busy. Get busy. So here we have a little pencil box notepad holder. I'll see if I can add a little photo from Hannah showing some examples. I won't be able to show all of them because I would just link Hannah's video for you all to go check her out, because this little thing is adorable. It's a little caddy like that. Make your little box and you sit your sticky notes in there. So it's a very cute box, and you got little pencil details. What I love about this die, you could take this and the box maker from Hannah, or you could use this one from the boot, this really long one, and turn this little pencil into a box itself. You know what I'm saying? Does that make sense? I might have to just do it just so you could see what I'm talking about. But yeah, I'm just overflowing right now. My brain is in overdrive. So that's part of a back to school to me. Here we have the Nutcracker mug mini album. Looks exactly like the little Nutcracker mug, except it's larger and it has all these pieces. Look at that. Look at that one. You got the base, you got the stitch detail, and then you got the top layer here. And then you have the face and the teeth. Oh my gosh. You got some teeth there, buddy. And then you've got all the little decorations for it. Very cute little mustache right here. I'm excited to put this thing together. I'm hoping I can accomplish that. But that is adorable. And then the next one is a Christmas tree shaker. Ooh, this one's cute. Look at that. Ooh, that one's chunky. It's got little swag on there. And then you've got a string of Christmas lights, more swag, and then the ornament. Very cute. Light bulbs. And what is that? I don't know what that. Oh, that's for the ornament. That goes like that for the ornament. So very nice. Two different styles of ornaments. Very cute. And you can turn this into a mini album. You can turn anything into a mini album, guys. If you've been buying Kscraft items for a while, you know you could take her dies and turn them into almost anything. This is the A2 frame shadow box. Oh, this one's cute. Hannah just put up a video of her using this die, turning it into a little suitcase with, when you open it up, it's a little shadow box. This is adorable. You're gonna love this. If you get this, you're gonna love it. And then here's the pieces to layer into the box so that it turns it into a thick frame style. You also get these little flags. I'm sorry, I'm just making you crazy, but I'm trying to make this quick. This is a long video. You got the little flags and you got all the alphabets. Oh my God, that is so tiny. Oh my God. But you get two styles of flags or banners. That's very cute that you could use to add on here. And I believe these are slits that you could use as pockets, tuck spots, whatever. It'll open that up and you could tuck them in. That's cute. Multi-purpose this thing. Oh my God. I'm excited. I'm excited. Oh my gosh, Becky. That would definitely go with this because it's not Christmas. Here we have the elf bow. Ooh, lots of bows. I love it, love it, love it. Oh, wow. Look at his legs. Oh my gosh, how long are the legs? 2.5 inches long. So that's a large set and a small set. So you get two sizes of bows. Very cute. There's a lot of detail. I'm assuming these are the stripes for the stockings on his legs. There's his little hat and his little boots. You layer those on. And you've got some, oh, this is this fastener for the middle. And you got the little cuffs for the top of his stockings. Very cute. You got little buckles. Oh my God. That's adorable. I'm excited. Oh, I'm excited. So you got two sizes for that elf bow. Very cute. My. That's exciting. This is a big release. So this was the Santa Suit mini album. So just like the bag topper, you got this little mini album. Very cute. Same as the other one. And then you also get the stamp and die set for these sentiments. Let's see. We've got, oh yeah, look at that. Wow. Those are the layering pieces to go on the, so this one has a Merry Christmas, Holly Jolly, Holiday Blessing, Ho Ho Ho, Naughty or Nice, Hot Cocoa, North Pole Approved, Fa La 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 La, Jingle All the Way, Merry and Bright, Santa's Favorite, Candy Cane Lane. Oh, that's cute. That's perfect. Now you just need Santa, I promise I've been good. And then here we have a snowman mini album. Oh my God, you guys. I'm so excited. Oh, it comes with a little snowman. So you get a little embellishment piece for your mini album. And the mini album measures, oh, about almost 7.5. So 7.25 inches. A little over 7.25. Yeah. Very nice. That is a really good size mini album. So cute. And then on top of that, you get the baby snowman. That would be so pretty. And there's the layering pieces for his hat and his pom-pom, the little cuff on the top, and then you have the mini album add-on. This is exciting. I'm excited. I'm excited. Oh my God, I told you, so many, so many. This is the Pokey Tool box. Pokey Tools. So us Pokey Tool lovers, this is the last die. This makes the box. So I think you're supposed to cut this one out of acetate because this one is the outside. So you could cut this out of acetate, or you could just cut it out of cardstock. It doesn't have to be acetate, especially if you don't have acetate. Use what you got. And then this makes a box right here. These are the piece to make the box. You cut this out probably 2 times to get 4 sides. And then this is your layering pieces. Very nice. Oh yeah. Let's see. Where's our Pokey Tool? It will definitely fit a Pokey Tool. So if you're using this particular Pokey Tool, it would fit. You could put whatever in here. It does not have to be the Pokey Tool. And then here's the top for your box to make your top and bottom. So my gosh, you guys, that is so exciting. I cannot wait to make some projects with this release. I know other people have got the head start on me, but I can't wait to bring out all these Christmas and Halloween projects. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button. Join our crafty family. And while you're there, you hit the notification bell. That will let you know when I load a new video like this or when I go live on my channel. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is going to be a whirlwind. I'm so excited. 2 of my favorite holidays, Halloween and Christmas. So please hit the thumbs up and check out the links in the description box if you want to go to check out Hannah. She has links to AliExpress or Amazon, wherever, to get a hold of these wonderful dies. So thanks again, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.